Hey, and welcome to Ciao Bella from the Laguna Performance Centre. This is where we talk all things Ducati, recognising the immaculate efforts in design, engineering and performance. Today's episode features a bike built with scarily great features, the naked bike you'll find lurking in the dark, the Ducati Monster. This Ducati classic was born in the early 90s, combining a sporty engine and road functionality with a superbike derived frame. This monster has a beastly growl with its Testa Stretta 11 degree V2 4 valves per cylinder 937cc engine. This engine rumble of course bellowing out the stylish looking twin muffler pipes. Stacking a frightening 111 horsepower and 93 Nm of torque, this monster is no stranger to speed and will keep your riding thrills in full throttle. This naked beast comes fully equipped with dual Brembo 4-piston calipers on the front, biting two 320mm semi-floating discs. In addition, the rear packs a Brembo 2-piston caliper biting on a 245mm disc. Safety measures like corner and ABS and Ducati traction control will give you peace of mind wherever you are. You'll get silky smooth suspension thanks to 43mm upside down forks and a progressive linkage adjustable monoshock on the rear. Extra features include things like riding and power modes, quick shifter, LED lighting, a 4.3-inch TFT colour display and a power launch system. This bike is worryingly cool. Ducati have packed everything into a genuinely stunning motorcycle. Scarier than the vampire hiding under your bed, this monster is going to make you scream.